What's up guys, Yuka here, welcome back to another video. Today, another trade recap on Nasdaq, smoking on the gas pack. This is how I made $504 day trading in the Nasdaq, and yesterday's trade recap is also coming up today. So after this one, so this is today's trade recap and yesterday's is going to come as well. But I just wanted to get these out for you, and let's go really quickly because yeah, let's go really quickly. That's not much to talk about. In 4 hour we have these 4 hour lows, 4 hour highs. In the 1 hour, what we really have and what set the bias for me is right on market opening. We have these 1 hour highs right here, and if you go to Nasdaq, to SP500, we also have these 1 hour highs right here. But as you see, once market opens, ES does not sweep these 1 hour highs, and Nasdaq just sweeps them right on market opening. So what are we looking for? Our bias, we see manipulation. Not only that, we see a bearish SMT out of that. Not only that, we see another bearish SMT on the 1 minute right here. We see a bearish SMT right here. We go to 1 minute right here. Not only we have the high time frame SMT, we also have another SMT right on market opening. What does this mean? Manipulation right on market opening. Price will want to go lower. We sweep out the liquidity that we have, like the top liquidity, the all-time highs that we have. Price is probably going to move down lower. Not only that, we have to consider the what type of liquidity we have to the downside. So we have these 1 hour lows. So this is again like on the market opening. We have these 1 hour lows. We have these 1 hour lows. Let me just put white so that you guys can see it. These 1 hour lows, not only that, we also have these Asian session lows, boom. We have these 30-minute lows, boom. These 1 hour lows, boom. Boom, this not these 1 hour lows, but then we have these fair value gaps that probably want to get filled. So, and if I go to the 1 minute, you guys will see this like perfectly. To the 5 minutes. Bro, like so much low resistance liquidity. Like, look at this, bro. I'm even going to put this red so that you guys can see better. We have this boom, 5 minute lows, boom. We have this 5 minute lows, boom, 5 minute lows, boom, 5 minute lows. Bro, just stacked up low time frame, low resistance liquidity that we probably want to sweep. Not only that, we also have this 5 minute lows right here, boom. Like, bro, super stacked up together, super close together liquidity. Like, bro, this is like a magnet for the market to go. This is just, not only we have the bearish SMT, right on market opening, but we also have a shit ton of liquidity that price will probably want to hit. You know, like we have the SMT, sure, and we have the liquidity. So we have, not only we have the thing happening, but also we have a target. So not only we are shooting, but we also have a target to where the shot is going. That's basically it. That's my bias setup for the day. We have this, then boom, take profit right here. Then I'm trading in Nasdaq because of course the lagging index. Then what are we waiting for? Bro, we're waiting for confirmation, either break of structure, fair value gap. After that, we're waiting for all block, breaker block, fair value gap, equilibrium gap field. Then we're waiting for another confirmation, kind of reaction to the direction that we want. Place stop loss in the place that makes sense for you, and enter on the beach. That's basically it. And today I actually broke my rules. Today I broke my rules because we were pre-macro, so the macro is from 1050 onwards, and I traded pre-macro, which is not in my rules. I always trade post-macro, but because we are in 1 minute, and so guys, really sorry if I was confusing like in that part in my first trade. So my first trade was right here. I can show you guys again because I explained it, but I didn't explain it quite well. So it was right here, the stop loss was right here, and then take profit was down here. So what happened, guys, was I entered on this order block and breaker block and inspected right here, and then enter kind of reaction of that, and also break of structure, which was right here, boom. Break of structure, I can put this white just because it's more beautiful. Yeah, enter on that, and then I got stopped. Why you don't trade pre-macro? And secondly, because I should have waited at least for this 1 minute fair value gap, which is tiny as fair value gap, to get filled as well. If it was filled as well, I'll probably enter. But order block and breaker block, pre-macro is not enough to enter. And second of all, you don't even trade pre-macro. So yeah, that was my first trade. That was where I lost $160, and this is where I made it all back. I made I don't know, 700 something, because to hit all the losses of the first trade, it needed to be 5 minute equilibrium, getting filled. Not only that, we go to the 1 minute, macro just open, and we are feeling what? We're feeling order block, we are feeling not breaker block, but we are feeling equilibrium, and order block. For me, that's enough. We get a reaction of that, nice, but we are pre-macro still. I'm waiting for a break of structure or inverse fair value gap. But honestly, you can just enter on kind of reaction. But I was waiting for something more than that. And we get this candle, boom, huge ass candle, enter on that, stop loss above these 1 minute highs. And then afterwards, we just wait. Take profit one on these 5 minute lows and all of these low time frame resistance to get swaps. So take profit one, take profit two on these other 1 hour lows, and then take profit three all the way on the middle of these 5 minute lows, which are also the equilibrium of the whole unbalanced price action. I can show you actually. it's pretty damn close to this unbalanced price action, which I can call it that. So yeah, boom, right here, equilibrium was right close to that 5-minute fair value gap. That's why I put that in there. So yeah, that's really it, and that's basically it. So what else do we want me to talk about? I'm kind of slow today. Sorry, guys. But yeah, that's basically it. I entered on that kind of reaction. Stop loss about these 1 minute highs. We got news at 10, which actually almost screwed me over. Like kind of boom, and then what I got lucky was this fair value gap got filled perfectly, and then buyers continued our way. So the best trade, instead of being mine pre-news, because news wasn't actually IB impact, so I wasn't expecting the impact we had today, was actually enter on kind of reaction after that, boom, stop loss above these highs, boom, and then boom, this will give you a much better, much greater risk to reward ratio. And that's basically it, you know. So, but I did not enter on that. I entered on this trade, this first trade, which was actually a pretty good trade. Man, you could call it a big stop loss maybe, but yeah, just really a safe spot, and you guys see why. So yeah, always put your stop loss in a place that makes sense. Price hits CP1, price hits CP2, price hits CP3, then moves higher, then moves lower again, hits CP3 again, and I close out my position here because price is consolidating, and at this time it's like 6 p.m. I'm like, I don't want to trade anymore, and now it looks like it's moving and probably going to move lower. But I already out of position. I made $506, so I lost $166 in the first trade. I made it all back in the second one, $506 to the day. Yeah, it usually is like 700 something, and yeah, that's basically it. So I made $506 for the day. That's just basically how I trade, and yeah, that's really it. So macro, once the market opens, you see a bearish SMT followed by all this liquidity to the downside. Price will probably want to go lower and sweep out all this liquidity, and that's really it. Once like market open SMT is like, bro, so strong, man, especially when you have the context of the liquidity out of it. So yeah, that's really it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys see. Leave a like. I'll see what kind of content I'll do during the weekend. If you guys want to see me like backtesting some sessions and like record it and like post it, sure, like on raw backtesting session, cool, I can post that shit. If you guys want me to do another stuff, I can do it as well. So yeah, like informational video, maybe strategy video. You guys are always asking me about my strategy. I would like to wait a little bit more for that video to come out, especially to get a little bit bigger before dropping out like that content, because that's a lot of sauce, So yeah, and especially because now I need to pass my funnel first, then I can say like, oh, this is a strategy that made me funnel, and like it will get a shit ton of views and everything. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Really, I didn't know the news that will have this impact, so the perfect trade will be right here, just like I told you before. Stop loss above these highs. And that's basically it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, and yeah, comment down below what you guys enjoyed. And yeah, if you are not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. And that's basically it. See you guys on the next video, and yeah, that's it. See you guys. Bye bye.